Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a study abroad advisory with World Endeavors, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the World Endeavors website. Locate the Study Abroad Advisory section on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the process. Fill out the online form with your personal details. Make sure to include your name, email address, and academic background. Select your preferred study abroad program from the drop-down menu. Review the eligibility criteria to ensure you qualify. After confirming your eligibility, proceed to the next section. Choose your desired destination for your study abroad experience. Read through the program overview to understand the requirements. Select the duration of your study abroad experience. Upload any necessary documents, such as transcripts or letters of recommendation. Double-check all the information you've provided for accuracy. Click the Submit button to send your application. Wait for a confirmation email from World Endeavors. Check your email for further instructions regarding your advisory session. Prepare any questions you might have for your advisor. Join the scheduled advisory session via the provided link. Discuss your goals and preferences with your advisor during the session. Take notes on the advice and recommendations given. Follow up with any additional questions through email if needed. Begin your exciting journey towards studying abroad with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.